checksum. Checksum is used to find the packets which is containing errors. We'll see checksum with an example. For example, I want to transmit this data from source to destination. In sender side, we need to do some operations like we need to divide data into m-bit segments. So in our example, we have 32-bit data, so we divided it as 4 8-bit segments. Here k is 4, k is number of segments, and m is equal to 8, so number of bits in each segment. After dividing it, we need to add all the segments and find the sum. In binary addition, we are adding 0 plus 0, the result is 0. So when we are adding 0 plus 1, we get 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So when we are adding 1 plus 1, we got a 10. In this, 0 as sum and 1 as carry. When we are adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, we got 11. In this, 1 as sum and 1 as carry. So we are adding first two segments here. While adding, when we get 1 as carry for last bit addition, we need to add it again with sum. So like this, we need to add all the segments. After adding all the segments, we got some final sum value. So we need to take 1's complement for that sum. So 1's complement is nothing but inverse of that sum. So inverse means need to convert 1's as 0 and 0's as 1's. After doing that, so we got some final result. This result is known as checksum. So we need to send data along with this checksum to the receiver. And receiver side also we need to do the same operation like sender, but here we need to add 5 segments. The last segment is known as checksum. Need to take 1's complement for the final sum. If we get zeros as result, our data is transmitted successfully, otherwise it has some errors. If you want this material, please download it from description. If this video helpful to you, or any of my videos helpful to you, please don't forget to share with your social media contacts. Show your love and support to my channel through like, share and subscribe. It will promote my video so a lot of people get benefited. Thanks for watching once again.